Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidgy channel. Today's video will explain to you Android phone power button not working. The physical button on the Android phone has a long history. Although it is an antique, we still rely on it very much. We may press the power button many times every day, but when you press the button, you find that the Android phone does not respond. Do you think of the situation of power button not working on Android phone? If your Android phone power button is not working, please do not go directly to the after-sales repair center. You can try the methods in the video first to see if you can solve the problem of power button doesn't work on Android phone. This video is applicable to mobile phone models including Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, Redmi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, HTC. Please watch patiently and try all the methods in this video. Have you ever wondered why is my Android power button not working? If you have this question, we will tell you the common reasons here. The power button itself is faulty. After long-term use, the power button is aggravated by wear and tear, resulting in failure to work properly. The Android phone is stuck or the system crashes, resulting in no feedback when pressing the power button. The power button is not working properly because of foreign objects stuck around the button. Software glitches may also cause power button stopped working on Android phone. Whatever the reason is for Android phone power key not working, you can try the following tips to fix this problem. We have summarized several lock button not working Android solutions below, which are simple and quick. Please be patient and try all the methods below. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to check the power button. When the power button of Android phone is not working, you should first check whether there are foreign objects, paper scraps, etc. around the power button, which may cause the power button to be stuck. If there are foreign objects or paper scraps, clean them up in time. After cleaning, press the power button repeatedly to check whether the Android phone power button won't work problem is fixed. Method 2 is to restart the device. Restarting the Android device can clean temporary faults and rerun the Android phone. In order to fix the problem of Android phone power button not working, restart the Android device. Since the power button is not working, you need to use another method to restart the Android device. Swipe down twice on the home screen to open the quick settings menu. Find and tap the power icon here, then select the restart icon. Finally, your Android phone will restart. After the restart, try using the power button again to see if it works properly. Method 3 is to start safe mode. If restarting doesn't fix the problem, it's possible that a third-party app is the culprit. Another way to check if the power button isn't working on an Android phone is caused by a software bug is to start safe mode. This is a stripped-down mode that runs only the basic Android operating system and nothing else. This means that any third-party services and apps you have installed will not work in safe mode. To enter safe mode, follow these steps. Swipe down twice on the home screen to open the quick settings menu. Find and tap the power icon here, then press and hold the power off icon for 2 to 3 seconds, and a green safe mode icon will appear on the screen. Tap the safe mode icon to enter safe mode normally. Once in safe mode, use the power button normally to see if it works properly. If it works, it's a third-party app that's causing the problem. Remove any third-party apps you've recently downloaded one by one to fix power button not working on Android phone. Finally, to exit safe mode, just restart your phone. Method 4 is to reset your phone. If the lock button not working on Android phone issue is not caused by a third-party app, you can also try to reset your phone to factory settings. If it is a software issue, resetting your Android device can fix it. However, resetting your Android phone will delete all the data on your phone. Therefore, if you need the data in your Android phone, please back up important data before resetting it. To reset your Android phone, first tap Settings on your phone, then find and tap General Management. Find the Reset option in the General Management interface, tap Reset option, find and tap Restore Factory Settings. At this time, your Android phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently for the phone to restart. After the reset process is complete, your phone will restart and all data will be erased. Finally, reset your Android phone according to the on-screen prompts, and then try using the power button again to see if the Android phone lock button is not working issue is resolved. Method 5 is to repair it. If resetting your Android device does not fix the lock button is not working on Android phone issue, there may be a problem with the phone button itself. You need to bring your phone to an after-sales repair center for a technician to help you further check and fix the problem. That's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful and we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment section. If you think we need to improve, you can also leave your opinions and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck.